Hello guys, welcome back to my How YouTube channel. So as of today, I will be teaching you on how to locate the IMEI number of your phone using Android phone. So at first, there is actually two basic ways on how to locate the IMEI number of your Android phone. So at first, you can go ahead and click settings, and under settings, please take a look on the option more settings. Hit more settings, and under more settings, hit about phone, the first one. Under about phone, you will see the IMEI number 1 and the IMEI number 2, as well as the Android version, the model number, and everything. So let us go ahead and proceed for the second step. So for the second step, we can locate the IMEI number by using the dial pad. Hit dial pad, and under dial pad, you can just go ahead and dial star pound 06 pound. And there you go. The IMEI number 1 and the IMEI number 2 just auto-populate. So this is the most basic ways on how to locate the IMEI number of your phone. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my How YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.